Hey guys, today I'll be showing you how to use ternary operators in HTML and JavaScript. So here in my HTML, I already have my element that I'm going to be displaying a text content value in. And in my JavaScript, I'm just going to have a variable to store the actual element, so then we can update its text content. But what we want to focus on is the actual ternary operator. So let's say I wanted to display a message based on an integer's value. So let's just say the score, or we'll just call it the total, is 80. And we want to display if someone's passed or if someone's failed. So the failing mark is 50% and the passing is over 50%. So normally you would just write an if statement. If total is greater than 50, then display, actually we're going to have another variable to display the message, and it's just going to be empty. And the display, so we're going to update the message to equal you passed, else message is equal to you failed. So ternary operators simplify this down to one line, and I'll show you right now. So this is the code that we want to convert into ternary operator, and we do this by, as we can see, there's two places that the message is being updated, in the if and also in the else. So if the total is greater than 50, we're going to have a question mark to show that this is the condition, and then this is the first value if this condition is met. So we want to set or return a value of you passed, so the actual string value that we want to set the message to. Then if it's not over 50, so if it's failed, then we're going to set the string to you failed. So here the message is being updated in one line, and if we write display.textContent is equal to message, then we'll see on the right side that it should say you passed, because the total that we've set here is returning a value of you passed. But let's say I change this to 45, we'll see on the right side of the screen it says you failed. So therefore this if statement is converted, so this 5-line code is converted into one line, and we're just simply updating the text content based on this variable's value. We can also do this with booleans values, so true or false. And if we wanted to say if it was true, then we just write total. We don't have to write is equal to true. We can just write total. But let's say we wanted to make the condition if it's false, then we'd simply just write an exclamation mark here. So we'll keep it as if it's true, and it should say you passed. And if we set this to false, then we'll see that it's failed. So we'd put the condition here, followed by a question mark, and then the first statements that are supposed to be run if this condition is met. However, the else statement is started with a colon, and then you have your values in here. So that's how you would use ternary operators in HTML and JavaScript. Hope you guys learned something, and thanks for watching.